It was fierce, it was intense, it was quick, and most Houstonians didn't have time to place themselves out of harm's way.
At peak, we had 930,000 customers in CenterPoint's service region without power. Most of them were in Harris County. Now we are at 740,000 customers without power. The bulk of those also in Harris County. For many, many people, it's going to be weeks and not days.
We have 2,500 traffic lights not functioning. They're a priority. CenterPoint's trying to re-energize them. But as I talk to you, our first responders are spread thin. Stay away from downtown. Stay off the road unless you're an essential worker.